Hello! Are you ready to build something twit-tastic? Today, we're heading into SOLIDWORKS Apps for Kids to become master builders for our feathered friends. We're going to design the coolest, fanciest bird houses in the neighborhood. Let's start with our basic birdie bungalow. First, we lay down a 4x4 base, that's the floor. Next, let's pull up some walls. Don't forget to leave a front door so our birds can fly right in. We make those walls nice and sleek, then keep building up until it's nice and cozy. Now for the best part, the roof. Let's give it a stylish upward curve. We stretch it out over the front like a little porch. This keeps the rain off the nest and keeps the babies dry. Let's add a tiny step right at the entrance, like a welcoming mat for the birds. Safety is key. We're adding 4 sturdy hooks on the corners. This makes it easy to tie our birdhouse safely to a tree so it stays steady even on a windy day. Et voilà! Our first birdhouse shape is ready for move-in day. Time to switch over to style it. Let's go for a classic look with a warm wood color and maybe a darker chocolate brown for the roof. Look at that! Let's pop our house into the meadow scene to see how it looks in a real garden. It looks like it belongs there, doesn't it? But wait, why stop at one floor? You can be a total bird mansion architect. Add a second floor. The birds can have a quiet downstairs bedroom to stay warm and dry. We even added a special hook underneath for a net of bird seeds. Room service. If you have a big tree, why not design a 2-bedroom house? There's so much more room for activities. Now it's your turn. Will you build a cozy cottage or a soaring bird skyscraper? I can't wait to see what you create. Grab your tools and start building!